Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2938th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, this video is coming at you on a Monday night for trading Monday through Tuesday. Video number 2938. It is for trading on July 8th. 2025 through the night of July 7th. Thank you for tuning in. Risky, risky, risky. As you know, this is a very risky endeavor. If you're going to trade any markets, put your stops in first. So, I'm doing one of these shoots in front of the camera, sitting at a desk. Do you know why? Temperature in Las Vegas, please.
It's 107 degrees in Las Vegas right now.
I don't want to go into that room right now. I don't want to go in front of those hot lights. So we're going to do one of these shoots for you, and as the week progresses, I'll get my butt upstairs into the video room. So we are looking at the E-mini S&P. Traders, nothing goes straight up. In my video to you last night, I told you, even though it looks as bullish as can be coming out of the holiday, the Omni said, do not trade on Monday. What did the markets do? Turned around and started to head down. Now, nothing goes straight up, but if you look right here, it's been pretty darn good, right? Most of it is straight up green bars. Every now and then a red bar. Every now and then a red bar. Nothing goes straight up. Same thing with your NASDAQ, I'm assuming here. Let's take a look. And with NASDAQ, absolutely, you're going to have the same sort of thing. Every now and then, we're going to get a down day. Every now and then, we get a down day. Lately, right? This is lately. So here we are, a down day. I believe Russ is probably the same. Look at your Russell 2000. All right, so just a little short breather. Is that what's going on here? But I always decide to take a look a little deeper, a little further, what is going on out there. So I started to look a little deeper and I said, what is this? Are we now running into a moment? Is it respect for the double top time? Remember that old double top? I don't know what you want to call it, double, triple, but this all happened at the same moment, sort of. So is this a double top resistance area? What do you want to call it? Is it time to start to pay respect for this double top? Traders, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Subscribe now if you're not a subscriber to these videos right here on YouTube. Please like them and share them around so we can get more viewers to see this great work that we help you with each evening. Back to the charts. E-mini S&P. Are we now going to pay respect to the double top? How about this one? Now, by the way, before I go further, these double tops are in the September contract, E-mini S&P September futures contract. Now we'll go to the NASDAQ futures contract. And look what you got here. Same sort of action with the NASDAQ. Double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it, it certainly looks like resistance, at least to me. Now let's take this a little further. Let's go here. Look at the transportation average. Is this not a resistance area, kids? Look back here. 1, 2, 3. Now we could call it knock knock, but not yet, because it's barely knocked 3 times. So big resistance in the transportation average. You just seen what I showed you in the Dow, right? In the tranny. Excuse me, the Dow, the tranny, the NASDAQ, the ES. Wow. So that we have to watch out for. And then you've got this little bit of a wild card taking place. We've got to watch this one. Look what's happening. This is not helping the stock market at all, kids. This raises interest rates. We were doing good for a while. And boom, 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 boom. Now we're starting to break down through support. And I promise you, Wall Street watches this stuff. This isn't good because when bond futures go down like this, right, when they're on their way down, let's make that red just so it looks like it's going down and it's red. When bond futures go down, inherently, without Jerome Powell saying a word, when bond futures go this way, it makes interest rates go this way, back to green. It forces interest rates higher. It tells banks, You can now charge even more for what you're offering because the bonds have gone down. Banks can now offer rates even higher. This is not helping us at all. We need that to move higher. Maybe there's some stumbling going on at this double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it, resistance area, with the bonds now moving down, pushing interest rates up, crude oil moving up just a little bit, not at a scary level, but moving up just a little bit. Maybe there's more than one day coming. I don't know. But I say let's just keep it at this for now because we're day traders. A short breather is about what we're seeing for now. We only get short breathers, right? Since this rally started, we only really get short breathers. A short breather. Back into the rally phase. A little breather. A little breather. You know what I mean? We get breathers every now and then, but mostly it recovers and heads back up. So a breather is what we're going to keep this at for now because we're day traders. We will take this one day at a time. I hope that helps. Please subscribe to these videos. Traders, if you want to join me at Omni Camp, I think I showed that to you right here. I've got an Omni Camp coming up at the end of this month. I'm only accepting 4 students. OmniBootCamp.com is where you can fill out those applications. I will call you back personally to qualify you for a seat. This happens here in Las Vegas in my home office, and it's the last Omni Camp where lodging and food is included. So you want to come to this camp if you want everything included, your laptop, your lodging, your meals, all included with the education. Last one will happen here in Las Vegas the last week of July, first week of August. Make sure you go to Omni Boot Camp now and fill out those applications. And then we go back here and we say, traders, put those stops in first. Remember, that will always help you. And then say this to yourselves. Are you with me? Stops are in. Ooh, that hurts my shoulder. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, please join me at livewithoscar.com. No credit cards are required, and you'll find me in my free live trading room all the time where I can help you. No credit cards are required. Come to livewithoscar.com and join me in chat live with Oscar. Thank you so much for tuning in. Big week ahead of us. Let's see what's going to happen. Stay tuned to these videos. Have a great day trading out there, OmniX.